What up, beautiful people? Good evening. It's your girl Editorial, and of course you can call me Edith. Alright, so why I'm here outside this evening, because I want to put some fuel into my freaking car, and you guys can see this rubber here, and this is what I use. I and Alfred used this to put the fuel. So we tried this hose in putting the fuel, but Alfred wasn't able to do that, so we just had to use this method to put the fuel. Of course, I've told you guys that there's no fuel in Nigeria. Here in Abuja, it's difficult. I can't even afford to go and sit or line up at the filling station for so freaking long, because of, well, I have some other things I want to do. I know it's important too, but I just don't have the patience. So I had to send Alfred to go and get me that fuel, and I had to, just do that myself. Okay, and the second thing I want to do. Where is Alfred? Yeah. Alfred, come.
He's in the sitting room.
Okay. Okay, tell him to give you my tripod stand.
What's that?
Tripod stand. Alfred, give him one of them, my tripod stand, the one without lights on it. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what I want to do in this car. Like, trust me, they say what a man can do, a woman can do it. A woman can only do it when you're determined to do it. Like, trust me, okay? Because it's not everything that a man does that a woman can do, okay? But yeah, I'm waiting for my tripod stand so I can fix this camera and show you guys. But first, I just removed my battery, so I want to fix it back myself. You have seen a couple of times where they helped me in fixing it. So this time I want to do it myself. Alright? Stop that so that you don't spoil that thing, please. Okay, so guys, the first thing I'm going to come and say hello to them. Say hello to them.
Hello. My name is Fortune.
They know you already. They saw you yesterday. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is try to open up the bonnet.
Come and open the car.
I'm coming. Which I've learned how to do that. It's not difficult to do this. I would fix the bonnet to just sit down on this. And wait. Hold the key. So what I'll do, I'm going to take the battery, and I'll observe that one side of the battery is, one end of the battery is bigger than one edge. Okay, so after I fix that, and then I'll not take this stuff. I don't even know what it is. I have to fix it into the edge. Ouch! Stop that! Give it! What? I don't know what's happening. Ouch! Stop that! Give it! What? I don't know what's happening. Okay. My freaking fan was on. Like, the car is not on, but the fan is on. That was what I was wondering. I mean, because this battery is a new battery. It's not been long I got it, and I was so surprised when I woke up, like yesterday. I now noticed that the battery was drained, like totally drained. So therefore means that it was this fan that drained the battery. Honestly, I'm so scared. I wanted to run. I wanted to leave. I wanted to leave my spirit. Egami! Yes? Come! I just wanted to tell my mom what happened. Come! Did now? Oh my god, so I have to call my in-law to tell him about this so he can tell me what to do. Egami, please! Okay. Let me call. Oh my god, I hope this is not, but I don't even know what's happening. I don't know how come the fan is on and the car is not on. I don't know, so let me just call him and tell him what's exactly. Function! What are you doing there? Calm down, please. Don't get inside the car. Calm down. Calm down.
Are you sure? Yay!
So I'm going to call you because I can't put the battery. You guys are going for
jogging. They say they are tired of staying. They want to jog.
Abby.
Are you people jogging within the compound now? Okay. Bye bye. Bye dear.
Okay.
Mom's here.
Mama.
Okay, Popsy.
Mama. So let me try and fix in the battery there and see what next will happen. I don't even know. This guy is not picking up my call. Go, leave that place. Let me use that thing. The fan was on. That was why the battery was yesterday. The fan was on. Yeah. Come here, come and talk to them. So I'm going to be using this stuff to heat the battery there.
Come. Hey, come and take this here.
You guys not
Take one up. Take one, you can carry one. Just take one.
the thing is packing.
What's the show rate? That's when it's charging.
It's packing.
I don't know how to do that. That's where I can access my WhatsApp.
Now they come on, you see what they do of this.
That's why I
You don't see them.
Just WhatsApp. Because I don't know, I can't access the book I'm done on my phone. So I have to pay that and complete it, right? Which one?
No, I think it's time. You didn't have water in my sister. So I'm going to try to fix this stuff. I don't know.
The thing is on it. You don't fix it now.
No, I have to on the car now.
But since you don't know, you have to call somebody to bless you.
Not that I don't know. I know how to do this, but it's packing. It's packing. Fortune, will you leave that place, please?
As you want to fix that thing, this one is.
Hello, bros. I did fine, bros. You know, say the fan of my car was on.